Kasni ba ar ka Dorbar Sunrai jong Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla kelas dang dak jingkan sngolem holo ka jingklat no udkhot jong ka bo mi khmat na Mawphlang Constituency ulid eskesun. Ulid ba eskesun ulaklat no nakani keslaperthai ha ka janmi chpotrik no lor arajar apoi katu katni kenta hadien balawai ka siningkong ba ka Dorbar Sunrai na ka daw ka jingshakta ha ka khlam COVID-19. Ya ka basa ulid ba eskesun lathang dan burom ka khatwai trik no lor arajar apoi haulum jingthang ka sengkasi matbisu ha padeng ka jingyam thang kipai ba babuan balang. Ulampang Ïing Dorbar Thawain ka Jylla ba met ba lingdo lawan ra ya kani kamat dak ba kodo ba uliet ba eskesun kumud khot ka Ïing Dorbar ulaklat kat ba ka almanak song Dorbar Sunrai kadang ya chakman mitrang ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma ulas dang ya ka jingtran sngolem bat but pat sau noilam kalyang persau Dr. Mukul sangma nang ta but su mitrang ba perston ten song bat kiwei pat kid khot kibal kodo ba uliet ba eskesun udei unong Thawain berang pen krep hai la di shwaban kren bat udei ru nong yelam basampang MLA ke NCP saleng isangma ula kentui khot ke Ïing Dorbar Thawain ke Jylla ba ket empen yang kertong lada dan na pedeng kibah Ïing ulit ba eskesun kibai le ya election siteng samoi na ka Mawphlang Constituency.
When we got news, it was so shocking for each and every one of us. Every members of this Argos House has spoken in a conciliatory tone, warm tone, in condoling the demise of Sun about his public discourse, uncontested condescent, distorting the belief of others, human, unacceptable. We know that uncertainty, threats, and incidences occurred in his life already. And it can happen to us, any one of us, which is unforeseen and uninforming. Sun has given us a panorama. After hearing all the speeches, condoling messages from each and every one of us, we could see that he has given us a panorama to each and every one of the MLA by making himself available for any kind of discussion, any kind of suggestions, or any kind of advice that he would like to give. As a respect and gratitude, I would like to urge this Argos House that if any of the member from the Sunn happens to contest in the future in the by-election, I would like to request all the political parties to support his family by not giving a candidate on their own. You see, we as a Christian we believe prayer will be hard, but the good deed will be blessed. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, we know that he was precise and to the point, and whenever he brought any kind of issues to the House, he was quite serious, and he used to, be very serious about his debate. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, we remember, definitely we will be missing him. He has already created a vacuum in the House, not only the House, in his family and in his own constituency also, Mr. Speaker, sir. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to send my condolences to his bereaved family and request all the party members, before I resume my seat, not to give a candidate against his family. If his family happens to, put up a candidate, that would send a better condolence message. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.